Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pradeep Dixit, and today I'm going to give a presentation on digital experience enhancement at Sinclair Hotel to mobile application development and cloud integration system. Before talking about the project itself, let us talk about the hotel, which is Sinclair Hotel. Sinclair Hotel is a part of Marriott Autograph Collection and is the first all-digital hotel in the world. It is an independently owned property operating under Marriott, which means that it can apply new technology itself while having the network of the global conglomerate, which is Marriott. Now let us talk about the project. As we all know, as we just stated that it is the first digital hotel in the world, there also comes with challenges, such as the current guest and future guest have their expectations have increased dramatically, demanding seamless digital interactions from pre-arrival, check-in, check-out, and post-departure. To address these needs and challenges, the existing system needs to update itself to support a mobile-first approach. Now, what mobile support first approach means is that it means enabling guests to control each and every experience throughout their hotel from a single interface, which is smartphones. Furthermore, a cloud-based service integration is also extremely needed to enhance the operational efficiency and have real-time service delivery systems. Now let us dig in deeper. So, objectives and the business impacts. So our mobile platform development aims to create a comprehensive solution where guests can control each and everything within the room. For instance, setting up a hotel reservation, tapping in the room, tapping out, controlling the environment, and made much more from a single interface, which can be a smartphone or a tablet. The second objective is the cloud infrastructure. The cloud infrastructure implementation is meant to enable real-time responses and real-time updates across all the hotels, in turn, which will improve the response times. The project scope. Now, the project scope are divided into three parts. The first part is integration of mobile systems. Now, the integration of mobile systems will encompass digital room keys, environment control, check-in, check-out, to make sure that the seamless guest experience from pre-arrival to post-departure is ensured. Now, the second project scope is that cloud-based infrastructure development will focus on core operational areas such as reservation management, inventory control, staff coordination, real-time updates so that the response can be done efficiently, reducing the workload of staffs and so on. And finally, the final project scope of our project is implementing a comprehensive data warehouse, which will in turn provide real-time data analytics and reporting, which will enable efficient and effective data decision making. These are the project scope of our project. Although there are a lot of advantages of the projects, there are some risks associated to it as well. Now we are going to discuss the risk and how the risk can be mitigated. So the first risk is technology integration. It means that to integrate the new technology, a lot of time is going to be needed. For example, there may be delays in integrating mobile and AI applications within the system. Now, the mitigation process for this risk is simply adopting agile project management method, where the deployment is done in multiple parts and continuous testing and deployment is done. Now, the second risk is cybersecurity threats. With all data being with the adaptation of cloud infrastructure and everything being done through smartphone, there may be cases of there is a high risk of data breaches and hacking. Now, the mitigation for this risk is implementing robust cybersecurity protocols and regular audits. Now, the final risk is stakeholder resistance. For instance, there might be resistance among the staff and the stakeholders. For this, the mitigation step is conducting multiple workshops and training to ensure that the stakeholders know about the benefits of the project. In this way, the risk associated with the project can be handled easily. Now let's talk about the actual project management approach. For this project, we'll be using Agile methodology, which will ensure that the flexible development cycles is done and quick response to any changing requirements over time will be implemented and deployed easily. This development cycle for this project will be done in standard time, which is structured in 2-week sprints, continuous testing, and deployment. Furthermore, a project governance will be held weekly and a monthly steering committee reviews will be done for effective progress monitoring as well. So the project timeline or the project altogether project span for this project is 10 months, which are divided into 3 phases. The first phase is the actual development of the mobile application, and it also includes the user testing and the training for the staff as well. The second phase starts from month 4 and to month 7, where the cloud infrastructure is built, implemented, and parallelly tested with the legacy and the new systems. And finally, the phase 3 is data analytics integration, and the final system optimization. So this is the project timeline of the project. So it is extremely crucial to ensure that the needs or the challenges that the hotel is facing is addressed and the solution is created. So here are the solutions overview of the project scope and the project, and to actually ensure how the challenges is addressed. So the first one is the mobile application that the guest will use will work as a hub for guest. It means that it will work as a center point where every features offered by the hotel, including digital keys, environment control, room service request, customer service request, and everything is ensured. Everything offered by the hotel can be used within the mobile app seamlessly. The second one is core operations managed by the cloud-based system. So the cloud-based integration, the cloud-based system will ensure that core operation, including inventory control, reservation management, and all the things is handled efficiently and in real time, so that the efficiency of the staff is increased and their workload is decreased as well. And finally, data warehousing will act as a data center for all the collection of data from each and every endpoint, so that the real-time analytics can be done and reports can be generated, so that a better, efficient, and effective decision can be made. So in this way, all the needs are addressed. And finally, the expected benefits. Any project cannot be conducted if there is no long-term benefits. So some of the expected benefits that we see in long term are as follows. Mobile and cloud computing, cloud integration will ensure that the check-in times will be reduced by 70%, and the guest satisfaction score will increase as well. Furthermore, the automation process by the cloud integration will increase the operational efficiency by 40% and reduce the manual task time for staff members. And finally, the personalization using AI will lead to 25% customer satisfaction and increase in loyalty of the guest as well. Thank you.